Today on Glam Barbie, I'm going to show you how to throw your pet the perfect birthday party, from the perfect cake to some beautiful decor. Hello Glammies! For those who are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button so YouTube lets you know every time I upload a new video. Also follow me on all of my social media and I will follow you back. My links are in the description box. Before we get started with the video, I want to tell you about my new favorite product of the month by the brand Visionary Keto Pet Foods. Why choose a keto dog food? In humans, low-carbohydrate diets have been shown to lower blood glucose and reduce inflammation. Many pet parents eat lower-carb diets themselves, yet they feed their dogs regular dog food with very high carbohydrates. Now there's another option, Visionary Pet Foods. They make low-carb, ketogenic dog food with only human-grade ingredients. It's amazing because it only has 1 gram of net carb per serving, it's 100% made with human-grade ingredients, and it's made and sourced in the US. It's amazing because it doesn't contain any grains, gluten, fructose, or added sugars. No hormones, antibiotics, or any artificial preservatives, flavors, or colors. They have different products on their website, and here I'm giving my doggy some raw freeze-dried keto medallions for dogs in the beef recipe. He loves it. So I really recommend it for your pets, Glammies. I will leave their websites link in the description box so you can check them out right now and buy yours today. Now let's jump into the video. First, we're going to start by making this jumbo cupcake cake for the human invites. This is not for dogs. I just follow the steps on this cake box and then I use this jumbo cupcake mold to bake the cake. Once it's baked and completely cold, I'm going to start by using the lower part and I'm going to apply white icing all over. Next, I'm going to apply blue colored icing all over the cake. Using a spatula, I'm going to smooth out all the surface. Now using a fork, I'm going to create vertical lines like this. For the filling, I'm going to add some Nutella. And then I'm going to place on top the other part of the cupcake that's already been baked. I added 1 coat of white icing, and then using a star tip, I'm going to create these beautiful flowers all over the rest of the cake. And for the final step, I'm just going to add some colorful sprinkles. And the cake is now ready. Now we're going to set up a treats and toys table for the doggies. I started by adding a red tablecloth, then I added different things like bones, toys, little squeaky balls, some treats, and I also added the human cake with a 1-year-old candle for my baby that he's turning 1. This is what the final table looked like, so cute. I also added this pet other candle, smells so good. I got this adorable happy birthday cookie from a pet store and it's 100% safe for them to eat. For the room decor, I bought this room decorating kit from Party City and it came with a lot of stuff to decorate. My baby was already super excited seeing everything getting set up.
Who's excited for his birthday? Good.
I added this super cute hooray garland on top of the table and also this other decor that came on the kit. Then I pasted some different colored balloons. I was having some people over for lunch, so I set up the table nicely and I added these pieces from the decor kit.
Hi
Glammies, I just got ready and all the decor is ready. So now it's time to prepare the babies for their party. Yay! I got him this adorable first birthday bib and I just put it around his neck and it fit perfectly. He looks so adorable.
And I'm walking on sunshine. Wow, I'm walking on sunshine. Wow, I'm walking on sunshine.
Tesco, my other baby dog, he was a guest at the party. So adorable with his party hat. Now my two babies are ready for the party. I invited my family for lunch to celebrate and have a great party. They were so excited about the treats and bones on the table that we spoiled them with some treats and bones. First birthday! First birthday! This was a great spot to take pictures with the family and the doggies. To spoil them, I gave them some treats on their food. The lunch was ready to serve and enjoy. Time to cut the cake. I got my baby this happy birthday cookie, especially made for pets. They really love the cookie. That's all for today's video. I really hope this video gives you some ideas to throw your pet the perfect birthday party. I love you, Glam, so much, and I will see you guys very soon on my next video. Bye!